Singularity. Developer Raven Software. More Singularity 48 of 166. The best science fiction games of all time 127 of 167. The best first-person shooter games of all time. Front Mission Evolved. Developer Double Helix Games. More Front Mission Evolved 64 of 382. List of games with girls in the lead and female protagonists 97 of 99. The best Xbox 360 action-adventure games. Hitman, Blood Money. Developer IO Interactive. More Hitman, Blood Money 818 of 2039. Sony PlayStation 2 games. List of PS2 console games 289 of 1371. The 100 plus best video games of all time, ranked by fans 340 465. The most addictive video games of all time. Wet. Developer Artificial Mind and Movement. Lara Croft and the Guardian of Light. Developer Crystal Dynamics. More Lara Croft and the Guardian of Light 22 of 32. The best local co-op games for Xbox One 14 of 26. The best Tomb Raider games 8 of 14. The best versions of Lara Croft from Tomb Raider. The Chronicles of Riddick. Assault on Dark Athena. The Chronicles of Riddick. Assault on Dark Athena. The Darkness Roman 2. The Darkness Roman 2. The Outfit. The Outfit. Black. Black. Kane and Lynch, Dead Men. Developer IO Interactive. Shellshock 2, Blood Trails. Eat Lead, The Return of Matt Hazard. Developer Vicious Cycle Software. Quake 4. Developer Raven Software, ID Software. Frontlines, Fuel of War. Developer Chaos Studios, Trauma Studios. More Frontlines, Fuel of War 479 of 535. The best Xbox 360 games of all time, ranked 71 of 102. The best PS3 shooter games. Monday Night Combat. Developer Uber Entertainment. Resident Evil 5. Developer Capcom. Conflict Denied Ops. NPPL Championship Paintball 2009. Prey. Prey. Rage. Developer ID Software. Metal Slug Roman 20. Metal Slug Roman 20. Doom 4. More Doom 4, one of 90 list of Space Marine games, 4 of 38. The best ID Software games list. Saints Row 2. Developer Volition More Saints Row 239 of 119 The Best Video Game Sequels 14 of 15 video games that relentlessly mock you for cheating. Battlefield Online. Developer EA Digital Illusions C. Electronic Arts More Battlefield Online 32 of 76 The Best Electronic Arts Games List 20 of 20 The Best Battlefield Games. Condemned 2 Bloodshot. Developer Monolith Productions. Half-Life 2 Episode 2. Developer Valve Corporation. Dead Island. Developer Techland More Dead Island 45 of 57 Best Multiplayer Games on Xbox Game Pass 99 of 109 The Scariest Video Games of All Time 16 of 20 Great Video Game Movies Waiting to Happen. Soldier of Fortune Payback. Developer Cauldron HQ. Battlefield 2 Modern Combat. Developer EA Digital Illusions C. More Battlefield 2 Modern Combat 251 of 2039 Sony PlayStation 2 games. List of PS2 console games 34 of 111 The Best Original Xbox Shooter Games 43 158 The Best PlayStation 2 Action Games. Far Cry 2. Developer Ubisoft Montreal. Metro 2033. Metro 2033. Medal of Honor Airborne. Developer DICE Los Angeles. Mass Effect. Mass Effect. Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Advanced Warfighter. Mirror's Edge. Developer EA Digital Illusions C. More Mirror's Edge 113 of 382 List of games with girls in the lead and female protagonists 22 of 34 The Best Xbox One games for girls. Files. Files. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Mafia Roman II. Kane and Lynch 2 Dog Days. Kane and Lynch 2 Dog Days. Just Cause 2. Call of Duty 3. Call of Duty 3. Sniper Elite V2. Sniper Elite V2. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Vegas 2. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Vegas 2. Army of Two, The 40th Day. Developer EA Montreal, BuzzMonkey Software. Max Payne 3. Max Payne 3. Saints Row, the 3rd. Developer Volition. Spec Ops The Line. Dead Space. Crysis 2. Crysis 2. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Vegas. Army of Two. Developer EA Montreal. More Army of 2 20 of 23 video games. All basic bros love 41 of 535. Best Xbox 360 games of all time. Ranked. BioShock Infinite. Developer Irrational Games. 2K Marin. BioShock 2. Developer 2K Marin. Call of Duty 2. Developer F.E.A.R. Infinity Ward. More Call of Duty 2. 9 of 20 the best Call of Duty games. 8 of 25 the best video games that let you fight Nazis. The Orange Box. Developer Valve Corporation. Electronic Arts. Halo 3 Odds. Developer Bungie Studios. More Halo 3 Odds. 19 of 53 the best Xbox One shooter games you should be playing. 8 of 36 the coolest live action video game commercials ever. Star Wars Battlefront Roman 2. Developer Savage Entertainment. Pandemic Studios. More Star Wars Battlefront Roman 2. 1636 of 2039 Sony PlayStation 2 games. List of PS2 console games. 22 of 61 the best Star Wars video games. Fallout New Vegas. Developer Obsidian Entertainment. Half-Life 2. Developer Valve Corporation. More Half-Life 2. 3 of 119 the best video game sequels. 14 of 15 these enthralling video game stories could never be filmed. Halo 4. Halo 4. Gears of War 3. Gears of War 3. Fallout 3. Fallout 3. BioShock. Developer Irrational Games. Gears of War. Developer Epic Games. Far Cry 3. Developer Ubisoft Red Storm, Ubisoft Reflections, Ubisoft Massive, Ubisoft Montreal, Ubisoft Shanghai. Borderlands. Developer Gearbox Software. More Borderlands. 36 of 178 the best video game franchises of all time. 45 of 354 the greatest RPG video games ever made. Left 4 Dead 2. Developer Valve Corporation. Battlefield Bad Company 2. Developer EA Digital Illusions. See more Battlefield Bad Company 2. 9 of 103 the best online multiplayer shooters. 20 of 20 the best DLC packs. Halo 2. Developer Microsoft Studios, Bungie Studios, Pi Studios. More Halo 2. 41 of 90 list of Space Marine games. 80 of 465 the most addictive video games of all time. Call of Duty World at War. Developer Rebellion Developments, Exact Entertainment and Space. Treyarch More Call of Duty. World at War 8 of 617 Sony PlayStation 3 games. List of PS3 console games 163, 1371. The 100 plus best video games of all time. Ranked by fans 171 of 271. The most compelling video game storylines ever. Halo Reach. Developer Bungie Studios. More Halo. Reach 25 of 177, the best video games of the 2010s. Ranked 12 of 57, the best multiplayer games on Xbox Game Pass. Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. Developer Infinity Ward. Call of Duty Black Ops. Developer and Space. Treyarch More Call of Duty. Black Ops list of all Call of Duty. Black Ops characters 13 of 124 the most popular video games right now. Halo 3. Developer Bungie Studios. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Developer Infinity Ward.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.